Hey yo, this is Dash, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Canik mags. Yes, Canik Magazines. Canik, if you see this, please sponsor me. I would love that. I was asked in the comments of one of my videos to talk about Canik magazines and which magazines fit into which pistols. So I'm going to start with the smallest, which is going to be in the ones I have currently at home. This is the Canik MC9. It is open, free and clear. I'm going to drop the slide. And with the Canik MC9, it comes with, there are a few different factory magazine options. I'm gonna hold this up here so that you can see, this is the factory mag with the little pinky extension. Don't mind it, that this is from the black MC9 versus the FDE and black, which is what I have here as an example. But this 12 round mag comes with a flat base plate as well as this pinky extension. I don't carry the little teeny magazines even with the pinky extension. They're too small for my hands. I can't get any purchase on that pistol, so on that grip. So what I have to do with my MC9s, I carry the factory 15 round mags, and this one I did not paint, but this is a factory 15 round base mag. And I'm gonna say base mag because the body of the magazine is the base, okay? And this 15 base mag, okay, it serves, and you can use it in multiple sizes. So which is one of the reasons why this magazine will fit into multiple different pistols of different sizes. With this base plate, the way that this base plate is configured, the base of the magazine is actually in the base of the base plate. But you'll see on other magazines, this same 15 round base magazine, the base plate is higher or lower in the base plate, and it will allow for it to be seated in bigger grip pistols. Now this is the 15 round mag, 15 round extended base plate from the MC9, and I can get my big old meat hooks around this pistol with decent purchase. And Canik also sells the 15 round, or actually this is the 12 round magazine with the 15 length, because these magazines, oh, this one does not have the same length. I did not realize that. I was going to say they're the same length, but this magazine is actually shorter. I do also have some 10 round magazines that are 10 round magazines that are 12 round length, if that makes sense. Again, this is a 12 round length. This is a 15 round length magazine. And this 12 round length, these two are the same, but this has a different base plate on it. This base plate has the back where it is closed off versus this one, which is the square or squared off, versus this being rounded. This base plate sits a little more comfortably in the hand, but what I found is this base plate, or with this base plate, I was not reliably, the magazine wasn't reliably locking back when empty. And there, I was gonna say there we go. There's showing. Now if I push up on the base plate just a little, yep. So This is why this magazine stays in the case and is not in the actual pistol, because it didn't close, it didn't lock back reliably. But that's the MC9. The MC9 is the smallest of the pistols. Now, the next pistol up I have is going to be, this is the Canik TP9 Elite SC, which is the subcompact. Again, I'm going to show you that it is free and clear. Now with this subcompact, it also came with a 12 round mag as well as a 15 round mag, and both of these are 15 round mag options. This is the factory style base plate and grip for the pistol. Again, I showed you that even with that tiny, the smaller grip, my hand fits on here pretty well. This was my EDC for quite a while prior to the MC9 coming out. Now what I did, because I wanted more purchase on the grip, I took and I used the 12 round base plate, the little pinky 12 round base plate, and this is a spacer from a website. It was Bloody Wheels USA, I believe it is. Not sponsored, not affiliated with them, but I saw someone had this spacer and then I looked into it and I got the spacer. Now this is just 3D printed, so it's not like the best. And the way that it works is it really does just take up some space and allows me to have almost a full size grip with the subcompact pistol. One of the things also with that grip and with this spacer and magazine, this does fit into the the MC9, and allows me to have a full size grip again on the micro compact pistol. All right, so now moving up to the next biggest size, we have, this is the TP9 Elite Combat Executive. This is the collaboration with Salient Arms. It came with a Salient Arms barrel and a flat Salient Arms trigger. Now this pistol has a compact grip, and this compact grip means that it comes base with 15 round magazines. This is a base 15 round mag with a flat, just regular old Canik base plate, just plain and simple 15 round mag. Now with this pistol, it came with one 15 round mag and one 15 round base with a +3 base plate. So this is an 18 round, or this has a capacity of 18 rounds. And it sat, I won't say flush, but it sat just proud of the grip. It doesn't actually give you more purchase. Now my pistol, this particular pistol, I have some modifications to it. This dress-up bit, the dress-up bit here in the back, came from Taylor Freelance. There's the TF from Taylor Freelance. If you go out to taylorfreelance.com, you'll probably be able to find some dress-up bits for majority of your Caniks. This stuff is old, but I also was able to get these base plates. This is a +0 base plate, and this is a +4 base plate. Though with this here, yeah, I believe it's +4. If it's not +4, it's +5. But I think it's +4. And I took out, I'm pretty sure I took out the base, like the base plate, the spring base plate. And with taking that out, I was able to get +5 in here. So basically turning this into a 20 round capacity mag. And this is a +0 base plate. So we are a little prouder than flush. It just adds some extra weight, so that mag, whoop, almost dropped it. That mag drops out of the pistol a little faster. But it still comes out. All right. Now with these extended base plate mags, they are backwards compatible with the SC. They will be sticking out of the bottom of the pistol though, out of the bottom of the grip, which can be a good thing because that can add to your grip. And also to the MC9, again, same thing. They will be poking out, extended past the bottom of the grip, but they work. They are compatible. Next, size up, we have the full size, and I'm going to be showing you this from the TTI Combat. Again, we are free and clear. So the TTI Combat comes with a different magazine. This is one of the magazines. This is the factory mag that matches the color and the aesthetic of the pistol. This is the Terran Tactical combination or collaboration with Canik. And this mag is a 18 round base plus, I think it is +5. I think this one holds 22 or 23 rounds. I can't remember off the top of my head. Honestly, I do apologize. I do believe it's 23 rounds. But this 18 round base mag comes from the factory like this. It's a 18 round and it has a flat factory base. Again, this 18 round mag works with the 15 round, or it works with the compact, which now the compact pistols are going to be the TP9 Elite Combat, TP9 Elite Combat Executive, which is this is an example of the Mete SF, the TP9 SF, the TP9 Elite SF are also 15 rounds, and I think that might be it as far as the 15 round grips. The 18 round mag also works in the SC. Again, we're just, it gives me a better place to put my hand, and it also works in the MC9. Again, we're poking off the edge there. So the longer mags are backwards compatible with the shorter grips. Obviously, the shorter grip is not going to work, or the shorter grip mags are not going to work in one of the longer grips. But now as far as other magazines, this is a factory 18 round base with a +2 base plate. This came with a lot of Canik pistols, and I don't know which one specifically this came off of because I have quite a few Caniks and the magazines have kind of gotten mixed and intermingled. Yeah! But this is a 18 +2, so this is a 20 round base plate or 20 round capacity mag. Now this is another 18 round base, and this is another base plate that I got from Taylor Freelance. I went onto the website one day and they had this particular, I don't think it was brass, it might be brass because of the weight, but this particular base plate, they had them on closeout because they were like scratch and dent. This base plate, I don't know if you can see, but there's a slight witness mark from the machining right there on that edge. And they deemed it scratch and dent or whatever they call it. And I was able to get this base plate for like 20 bucks, where they normally are like 35 or 40. So with that being said, hopefully that answers your questions about the Canik magazines and their compatibility or backwards compatibility. If you have any other questions about Canik specifically, magazines, pistols, grips, barrels, whatever the case may be, feel free to leave a comment down below. And if I'm able to, I will try and do a video just like this, just for you. All right, take care. Oh, Canik, if you see this, please sponsor me. I would love that.